Good morning, y'all. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Barbecuing chicken. I got chicken in this grill. I got beef ribs, pork ribs. I got hot links and hot dogs I gotta do today. So, as you can see, it's all chicken. As you see, chicken takes a while to cook. I don't cheat. I don't boil my chicken. I don't boil my ribs. I cook it from scratch. That's what I do for a living. It's barbecue for people. I create my own barbecue sauce, my own seasonings on this, and everything. This here is my money maker. It's a passion, barbecue. All chicken.